Wait, do your legs feel stiff, sore, or weak every morning? You're not alone. After 50, leg pain becomes one of the biggest reasons people stop walking, stop moving, and slowly lose their independence. But here's the truth, you can reverse it. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple science-backed exercises that can relieve your leg pain, strengthen your muscles, and help you move freely again, right from home. So grab a chair, get comfortable, and let's start healing those legs. Soft background music continues. Hi everyone, I'm your name, and on this channel, we help you stay strong, active, and pain-free, no matter your age. And before we begin, a quick reminder. If you're new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We post simple exercises every week that truly make a difference. Section 1. Understanding your leg pain. Before we jump into the exercises, let's understand what's really happening. Most leg pain after 50 isn't just old age. It's often due to weak muscles, tight joints, or poor blood flow. When your legs stay inactive, circulation slows down and pain builds up. But the good news, you don't need heavy workouts or fancy equipment. You just need consistent movement. Gentle daily exercises that restore flexibility and strength. And that's exactly what we'll do today. Section 2. Exercise 1. The chair march. Show demonstration. Sit tall on a sturdy chair. Now slowly lift one knee, then the other, like you're marching in place. Do this for 30 seconds. This simple move improves blood flow, reduces stiffness, and gently activates your thigh and hip muscles. It's perfect as a warm-up. And yes, even if you have knee pain, this one's safe. Section 3. Exercise 2. The ankle flex and point. Sit comfortably again, legs stretched in front of you. Now flex your feet up toward you, then point your toes away. Repeat 15-20 times. This helps your circulation, strengthens calf muscles, and reduces that tingling or numbness many people feel in their feet. Remember, these small moves might look easy, but they're powerful when done daily. If you're finding these exercises helpful so far, don't forget, if you're new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support this community and keeps you updated with new, senior-friendly routines every week. Section 4. Exercise 3. Side leg raise. Stand tall beside a chair for balance. Now lift one leg out to the side, slowly, and bring it back. Do this 10-15 times per leg. This move strengthens your outer hips and helps stabilize your knees and lower back. Key areas that support your entire body when walking or climbing stairs. Motivational tone? You'll feel your legs waking up again. That's your strength returning. Section 5. Exercise 4. Heel-to-toe walk. This one's great for balance. Walk in a straight line, placing one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe. Take small, slow steps and focus on staying steady. This not only improves coordination, but also builds confidence, so you can walk without fear of losing balance. Because remember, strong legs mean freedom. Section 6. Exercise 5. Seated leg extension. Sit on a chair again. Now straighten one leg out in front of you, hold for 5 seconds, then lower it down. Repeat 10 times for each leg. This strengthens your quadriceps, the front thigh muscles that protect your knees and help you stand up easily from chairs or beds. And there you have it, 5 simple, effective leg exercises for anyone over 50. Do them daily, and you'll notice a difference in just a week or 2. Less stiffness, better movement, and a lighter, more confident walk. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and it helps more people discover these life-changing tips. Remember, age doesn't define your strength, your daily choices do. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll talk about how to relieve knee pain naturally, even if it's been bothering you for years.